Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain about IGNOU B Ed Workshop 2 related some activities. You can see here my front page of this activity. This is some as you can see here my assignments title workshop based activities. Every B Ed student of IGNOU, it is must to do in his or her workshop first year or second year. Okay, now you can see here some activities like first one is curriculum analysis group. This is group activity. We did it day 2 session 2 like that. You also do as your handbook. आप सभी देख रहे हैं कि ये करिकुलम एनालिसिस एक्टिविटी है जो बीएड सेकेंड ईयर वर्कशॉप 2 में आता है. Yes, I did some curriculum analysis like social science class 9 subject, as you can see here, and analyzing and ascertain the extent to following components like nature of different discipline. Second one is social consideration. You can see here my explanations. I will give you full of these notes as PDF. If you want, you directly WhatsApp me. Yes, you see here philosophical statements and content, methods and process, and finally conclusion. Next activity is what is assessment. This is also group activity. This is also day 2 activity, and here some hints like what is the purpose of assessment, and you can see here some major points. And second one, assessment in the view of NCF 2005 can explain more points about NCF 2005. Third one is how we will use process of assessment in our social science background. Fourth one, how assessment is helpful to know the students as well as teacher performance. Fifth one, my view regarding assessment. These are some main points and explanation about that activity. And next activity, how to assess using rating scale for drawing competition. I chosen drawing competition and applied rating scale. Drawing competition related some notes, and you can see here, yes, rating scale. I did some columns and rows. You can see I chosen 5 points. First one, qualities and principles of design. Second one, project appropriate to the skill of participant. Third one, creativity. Fourth one, appropriate use of materials. Fifth one, overall neatness and presentation of finished project. Finally, comments. You can see total score and rating scale also. You can see the right side and summary of result. Next activity, analyzing and interpreting learners result. This is also a individual activity. You can see here my table about subject wise scores of the students in each subject. Name of the school, name of the teacher, which type of school, columns are serial number, name of the students, scores in different subjects, English, language, mathematics, science, social. Like this, you can see here detailed. Next, I am analyzing total of attended exam, male and female, highest total student, lowest total student, subject wise high student, total pass, total fail. Next, subject wise bar graph. Yes, you can see here some, like, yes, this is my bar graph, and you can see here some bar graphs. Okay guys, next, student wise scoring bar graph. Scoring bar graph you can see here. Next activity is inclusive education activity. This is also categorized of special need child, needs of special need children, like VI means visual impairment and barriers of social needs. Next activity, resources for creating an inclusive school. This is group activity, and topic is resource for creating an inclusive. Question number 1, define inclusive education and mention its principle of implementation. Introduction, the meaning, principles of inclusive education. Question number 2, list out the resources for facilitating inclusive classroom, those resource special benefits. As you can look here, have a look to see more and more points. Yes guys, आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ बहुत कुछ है जो आप देख सकते हैं और अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, जो आपको बीएड वर्कशॉप में यूजफुल हो सकता है। नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी है टेक्स्ट बुक एनालिसिस फ्रॉम जेंडर पर्सपेक्टिव. These are the some important points, elementary stage and criteria. You can see the last column. Next activity, Web 2.0 tool for teaching learning purpose. Web 2.0 tools. You can see here some blogs, wiki, social networking, Edmodo, Twitter, YouTube, TED, and Moto. Yes, these are the important activities in workshop 2 of IGNOU B Ed second year, and you also did some very needful and necessity activity. These are the during workshop activities. I think you understand these are only for applied and not to copywriting, so you can apply these points to in your workshop. You will be get easier to create your assignments or activity and involve in group activity. You can apply and edit some points. So these are the very important and very useful points to take some glance. Okay guys, आप सभी को धन्यवाद देता हूँ. आप इस मटेरियल को PDF के रूप में भी पा सकते हैं. If you want these materials in PDF, you can call or WhatsApp my number, okay, and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.